It just got easier to find diverse stock photos in Canva, and this tutorial will show you exactly how to locate them. Without further ado, let's hop in. The free version of Canva allows you to design anything and bring your ideas to life. However, it does limit the amount of photos you have access to. So if you scroll down on the pricing page, you'll notice that free users get 3 million plus stock photos and graphics. As soon as you become a Canva Pro member, that number bumps up from 3 million to 100 million plus photos, videos, graphics, and audio. What makes this so special is by upgrading to Canva Pro, you may be able to eliminate some of the other subscriptions that you have because of what's already included in Canva Pro. If you're rocking a free account and you would like to try this free for 30 days, just go to lashondabrown.com/Canva to claim your free trial. A little known fact about me is I am actually in the top 1% of Unsplash content creators for my African American stock photos. I saw a need to have more access to lifestyle stock photos, and a few years back, I did a project where I created over 1,000 images to add to that collection. Recently, Canva partnered with POCstock to add even more access to diverse images directly inside of Canva. What I love about their images is they have lifestyle photos. So these images are not super staged. They are true to life and allow you to take your designs to the next level. So instead of you having to create a direct account with POCstock, you can go to canva.com/p/POCstock to go directly to their Canva page. Now, I will have that linked in the description to make things easier for you, don't you worry, but this is what that page will look like. In the top left-hand corner, you will see POCstock and a button to follow if you'd like. There is a featured section, collection section, and then all items. What I want you to do is to click on the drop-down that says templates and change it to photos. And that will reveal over 160,000 images for you to choose from. If you see an image that you would like to use in a design like this one, you can click on the image and then click Use in a Design. Now remember, you do have access to this under the Canva Pro content license, but you do not have license to resell or take credit for the original media. So whatever photos that you select from this library, make sure that you transform it into a Canva design. So we're going to click on Use in a Design, and then we're simply going to choose Instagram Post. When you do that, it will drop that image directly inside of an Instagram Post template that is blank, and you can edit this image just like you would anything that you would upload directly to Canva. If I wanted to remove the background, I could. If I wanted to combine it with a template, that would be absolutely no problem. All I would need to do is go to Design. I could choose something like inspirational quote, bring in an image here, and cut and paste. So you can see how easy it is for you to have access to more diverse images by leveraging that particular library. But that is not the only way that you can add a photo to a Canva design. If you don't want to go directly to the POCstock page, you can go to Photos on the left-hand side and type in what you're looking for in the search bar. Say, for instance, I'm looking for a diverse group of women. I can click there. That is going to sort through Canva's library and pull images that match that description. Now, if you are utilizing a free account, I would encourage you to click in the top right-hand corner and select free. Otherwise, you may find that some of the images that appear, you will have to pay for when you save the design. Canva will allow you to drop it in, but you do not have license to it unless you are a Canva Pro member. So make sure that you select this if you don't want to choose images that you aren't able to use in the long run. Another thing that you can do to kind of sort through the library is you can select a color. You can choose the orientation of the image, square, vertical, or horizontal. You can even select cutouts only. So this is a great way for you to find images. Type in very specific keywords into the search bar to help narrow down your options. The last thing I want to tell you about diverse stock photos in Canva is if you find ones that are in a style that you like, you can also click on the image, hover until you see the 3 dots, and then search by the creator. So when Canva creators create images or templates for the Canva library, their images are tagged as a brand. So if I wanted to view more from this particular creator, all I have to do is select those 3 dots, click on the name, and then that's going to sort through all of the images uploaded from that specific Canva creator. This is really useful if you are trying to create a resource and utilize the same models in your images. You can see here in these top 2 examples, these were clearly taken at the same session. And so if you choose to search by brand, you'll have more brand consistency with your imagery, and it will look like you had a custom brand shoot for your particular PDF or your design. So I hope you found this helpful. I know that a lot of people struggle to find images that look true to life when they're marketing events. So if you know someone who could utilize this content, make sure that you share the link to this video. And if you'd like to support the channel, all you need to do is click that like button so that YouTube knows this video is one that more people should see. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you don't already have Canva Pro and you would like to get access to a free 30-day trial while supporting the channel, go to lashondabrown.com/Canva. Until next time, ta-ta for now.